Today we are going to do a 2-digit divisor division equation with the stamp game. Our equation is 2,829 divided by 23. I've built the dividend, the amount to be shared, in stamps, and I've placed the skittles to represent our divisor of 23. Each blue skittle stands for 10 children. Therefore, 2 blue skittles stands for 20 children, and 3 green skittles stands for 3 children. We have 23 children. Remember, division is an equal share, so our answer, the quotient, will be what each child got, the share of 1. In division, we begin sharing with the largest place value category. We will share equally beginning with the thousands. I will share this 1,000 here, but remember that each blue skittle stands for 10 children. 1,000 is 10 hundreds, so this 1,000 stamp represents 100 for each of the 10 children. And I will give 100 for each of the 10 children there. The green skittle stands for 1 child, so I will place 100 beneath it. Does each skittle have the same amount for each child it represents? Yes, each child represented has 100. Let's continue with the next largest place value. I will share 100 here, and again, there are 10 tens in 100. So each child in this group is getting 10. And that's 10 for each child in this group, 10 for this individual child, and 10 for this individual child. And now we're out of tens here, but we can exchange this group of 100 for 10 tens. I've made an exchange for 10 tens for this one group of 100. And now we continue sharing 10 for this child, 10 for each in this group, 10 for each in this group, and 10 for each child. Now our next largest category to share from is the tens. So each child is going to get how many? Remember, this is a group of 10, and there are 10 ones in this group of 10, so each child in this group will be getting 1. That's 1 for each child in that group, 1 for each child in that group, and 1 for each individual child here. We'll continue sharing 10, which is 1 for each group in the group, and 1 for each individual child. One last time, each child is getting 1. And now we have no more to share. We have none left over. Our answer, or our quotient, is what each child got. So we're going to look over here at this individual child, and we can see that each child got 123. Our quotient is 123.